Hi everyone, so today I'm doing something super exciting. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a product that I just bought on Amazon. It is the Better Dweller vacuum sealed margarita glass. And I recently just bought this a couple days ago, but with Prime shipping, it came super fast, which is great. The product retailed for $25, and Better Dweller is an American-based company, so it was designed here and everything like that. And yeah, I'm really excited because in the past, I haven't really had like a water bottle or a cup specifically geared toward alcoholic beverages. And I know like during the summertime, just being by the beach and the pool, and when the temperature is increasing, you know, it's a great opportunity to buy a product like this. And yeah, so I'm really excited to see it. So, you know, we'll kind of just look at this together for the first time. So this is what the box looks like, and it came in your traditional Amazon box. It retailed for $25, which is really reasonable, I think, in comparison to some of the other brands and stuff like that with their, you know, stainless steel insulated water bottles and cups. So I feel like this is a super reasonable price. It came in two different colors, green and blue, but I chose green because that's my favorite color, but both are great options, really great summer colors. And just opening this up, so it comes in some bubble wrap. So this is what the product looks like. The green is a beautiful color. Just kind of some first thoughts. It's very lightweight, which is awesome. I feel like my other stainless steel, you know, cups are they just feel heavy in my hand, but this feels super lightweight, easy to hold, great base, you know, handle, stem. And taking the lid off, this is kind of what the inside looks like. Has some great depth to it, so you can fit, you know, a decent cocktail in here. Doesn't even have to be a margarita. It could really be any cocktail of your choice. But the size of this cup is perfect to just throw in your beach bag. And then if you have a cooler, you can just make the drink and you don't feel like you have to chug it. Cause like I read in the description that your drink will stay cold for up to 8 hours. And so you could be sipping on your drink all day at the beach. You can refill it, reuse it. The top of it is dishwasher safe. With stainless steel, it's best to just hand wash it, but the great part is that it's reusable. You know, you can just use it throughout the summer after each use. Just wash it. The color, again, is super vibrant, really summery and everything like that. And I think like, just going off of first impression, I just really love how lightweight this feels. For some reason, like it's, like, I think there's just this expectation that if you're getting anything that's kind of stainless steel, it's just gonna feel heavy in your hand, but this feels really nice, which is really great because like when you're at the beach or the pool, like you don't have to worry about picking up something heavy. Like this is just great to have in your hand. Another feature that I like is this sliding, like little sliding like kind of thing to open the lid. So it really is insulated, so with this closed, your drink will not be melting, and it's kind of nice to just have that, you know, for sipping and everything like that. $25 just seems really reasonable to me for this. I feel like some other brands you can be paying like 50 bucks. This just seems really reasonable. The quality seems great too. I mean, I really like this product, just going off of my first impression of this. Like I said, with Prime, 2-day shipping, you could have it by 4th of July weekend if you wanted it. I definitely know that I'm gonna be using that a lot this summer, just being by the pool and going on my vacations and everything like that. So yeah, I overall think it seems like a great product. Thank you so much for watching, and I promise to make another video with a product review once I get the chance to use it. I hope you have a great day.